Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm create for the most important and statistic with focusing on calculating the mean and median and the mode in Python programming language. Okay, so here in this the mean, median and mode is the average of a set of values, and it's create for the data set when it is sorted, and the model is that appears most frequently. Okay, so now here in this the session, first I'm creating this the mean value. So just in this the mean value is the average of a set of values. Okay, so now here just going in this code toolkit inside, and this first of all type in this, and here's perfectly create in this the calculate. Okay, so just type here in this the calculate. First I'm creating this the mean value. Okay, so now here, so in this inside I'm declare for the data. So now I'm creating this clone. So next time here I'm using this the mean value is equal to, just type here in sum, and in this inside declare first to the data, and it divide for just create is the length for length, and again insert the data. Okay, so now here in this use for not land in this name. Okay, so now just going in the next step, and here I'm creating the return for mean value. Okay, so now it's perfect, and just go in the next step, and here I'm create suppose the example data set. Okay, so just type here is data, then underscore set. Okay, so now here I'm inside for the sum arrays, and just type for is 10 and then 15, and create is also for the 20, 25, and last one is create the 30. Okay, so now it's perfect, and just I'm going the next step, and here I'm create for in this the mean. Okay, so just type here in the mean underscore result is equal to call in this the calculate mean function, and in this inside declare for in this the data set. Okay, so now this one is perfect, and just I'm typing this print, and in this inside first time create in this the mean value. Okay, and create here just create this clone, and declare for in this the mean result. Okay, so now this one is perfect, and here in this the clone, this time inside create. Okay, so now is perfect. So here I'm creating this, so now it's perfect. So here I'm creating this the extra space. So now here in the session is perfectly create. So just here use this square braces, and now here is again is closing. Okay, so now here in this code is all okay. So now just saving this code and show the mean value in on this screen. So now the right press and run this code. Okay, so now here perfectly show the mean value is 20. Okay, then the first step is completely, and here next time create is the median value. Okay, so now just going in this code and inside, and first of all here I'm creating this the main median value code. Okay, so now here first of all I'm just type here in this the diff and create the calculate median. Okay, so just type in this code and just copy. Okay, and then just going here so first of all, okay, so this remove. So now I'm just here is create this code. Okay, so just so space remove, and here I'm create one space, and just here I'm type here in this the median value. Okay, is the median, and then inside create the data, and now here I'm create. So first of all just type either data type, just type it dot sort value created here. Okay, so complete, and the next step, and here I'm create for is the one is creation one, and equal to just type is length, and in length inside I'm declare for the data. Okay, so just going the next step, and here I will create for the equation is meet for the median, and here I will create for is n for double slash. Okay, backslash, and create for only 2. Okay, so now just type in 2, and then in this return here First of all, just I'm going in this line, and here a condition. So just type here if statement, and then in the space module 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so just straight the next step, and here create for in this the median value. Median value is equal to, first of all, create parenthesis, and in this inside declare for the data, and now here create for the square braces, and in this inside declare, just type here in the mid and -1. Okay, so now here I'm also creating plus sign, and then again inside for the data, and again create these square braces, and in this inside declare in the mid, then here create, and I will say just more, and this divide for 2. Okay, so now just going here next step, and here create in this the else statement, and then again call and create in this the median value. Okay, so just here and type in the median is equals to just type here into the data, and also create in this square braces, and in this inside declare for the value is mid. Okay, so now here creating this session, so just type here in this the median. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here create in this the day for the calculate in this the median. Okay, so now here remove perfectly, create the calculate underscore median. Okay, so now just go in the next system, and here I'm using the same as example, and then here remove this time crease. So first of all, here just type here, and then okay. So first just type here in this the median. Okay, this type is a median, the median result, and here create call this calculate for median. Okay, so just type here in the calculate median, and in this inside declare for the data set. I'm just going for here, and here create for the output masses is a perfectly median, and then call here for this type is the median result. Okay, so now here in this code is completely created. Okay, so now just show the output is on the screen. So here I'm just saving this code, and just click this for run button. Okay, so now here perfectly show the median value is 20. Okay, so I hope you understand this twice step mean the median. Okay, so next here is the middle for 20. So next system create for the mode values inserted. So first of all, here I'm just remove in a top all code. Okay, so now here first of all just type here in this the form and feed for the static. Okay, so just type in the static, and now here create import for the file is the mode. Okay, so now is perfect. So just going next step, and here I'm insert for the sum value. So now perfectly declare is the extra sum value the 20, then 15, and also declare is 10. Okay, so now just going here I'm creating the mode value. So here the mode, and then here I'm just again change. So just type simply is the mode. Okay, so now it's perfect, and just going the next 3 step, and here I'm only show the output is a mode value. Okay, so now just change here, and here I'm declare for the mode result. Okay, so it's the function. So now it's a perfectly complete in my code, and just first I'm using the move function with the static module, and provide example with the data set, and it's prints for the mode result. So just saving this code, and just click this run button, and now here perfectly show the mode value is 10. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session, and in this session I'm completely created, and here is the content is a static for the gaining insight into the calculating for the mean, median, and mode value in Python programming. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session, and thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today I will create for the percentiles in machine learning. Okay, so in this the machine learning for the Python programming language. So in this the percentile is defined for measure the divided set of data into 100 equals part and explain how percentile our understand the distribution and the position of the values in dataset. Okay. So now here in this the session and create for the Python code for the calculating in this the percentiles. Okay, so now just let's get started. So here first of all define the Python code. So first is create is the import for NumPy. Okay, so it's perfect ties the NumPy as np. Okay, so now it's perfect, and here in this stuff, first of all import for the NumPy library for the numerical upper and the numerical operations. Okay, so now here just take step, and here I'm create for define the function to just type name is for the calculate the percentiles. Okay, so just type here in the deep and just type here in this the late underscore and perfectly type the percentiles. Okay, the percentile. So now here in this one is perfect, and here I'm first of all in this insert declare for the data, and also create here in this the percent height. Okay, there is percentile, so just again just take this. Okay, so now it's perfect, and here I'm create this clone, and now here I'm create for in this the just type here just return. First of all type is the return, and now here I create for in this the define use for the np percentiles to calculate the percentile is. Okay, so now first of all I'm just type here in p dot create for in this the percentiles, and in this inside declare first the data, and again declare for in this the percentiles. Okay, so now here in this one is perfect. So here just I'm going for the next two step, and now I'm provide the example with the data set. Okay, so now first of all here I'm create for the data underscore set. So now here I'm use for the two data set. So just type here the cd only maintain the data set, and I score 1. Okay, and create this equal. So now I'm use here the square braces, and in this inside I've declared for the value is the 10, 15, then 20, and also the 5, 25, and last time the 30. Okay, so now it's perfect, and then I'm going for the next step, to step, and here I create for the person. I just type in the percentile and create here is underscore, just type here in this result, and perfectly is 1. Okay, so now is equal to create for in this the calculate for the percentile in the inside declare for the data set 1 is the just type with the 75. Okay, so is the 7th percentile printed. So now just go in next step, and here and create bring to the percentile result for both example. So just type here in the percentile, and here in this inside double quotation inside create for in this the just type is 75 percentile. Okay, percentile and here and now creating this clone, and now create also the comment, and now I'm called for into the percentile result 1 functions. Okay, since the first example is complete, and secondly create for the another data set. So just type here is data set for 2 is equal to now declare for the same data. So first of all create here in this host. I started for the 5, then 10 and 15, 20, 25, then 30, and also for the 35. Okay, so now here in this perfectly declare in this data. So now just going to next to step, and here type for the parentile is the result 2. and equal to I am perfectly create in this I calculate for the percentile, and in this inside I'm declare for the data set 2. Okay, and it's clear for the 5th percentile. Okay, so now here create, and then I'm just going here and again just type with the print, and now here I'm perfectly create this the first of all type the double quotation, and in this inside I'm create for in this the 5th percentile. Okay, the 5th percentile, and now I'm here creating this is a call and just create for a comma, and now I'm call for in the percentile with the result 2 functions. Okay, so now here perfectly declare. So now here I'm using the 2 example. First create is a set 1, and secondly create is a set 2. Okay, so now this is here in this the form, just take this and create the format. Okay, so now here perfectly format. So now I'll first of all select all and saving this code, and just right side click and then open for in this build and run button. Okay, so now here I hope perfectly show the output. So first is print for the 75 percentile is 25.0, and next is the 5th percentile is 20.0. This is the output for in this code. Okay, so I here I'm simply create for this code, and here is a summarize. There's the key points and covered in this session, and in this the emphasize the practical applications of percentile in data analysis, and it's also encourage viewers to explore for the percentile in their dataset. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session, and here is perfectly create the 75 percentile, and the last second the 5th percentile in the dataset. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for the data distribution in Python programming. So now let's get started and create for the pattern the trends of the data distribution in Python. So in this the data distribution refer to the way data is spread out for the distributed axis and different values in a data set, and it helps us identify patterns, trends, and the central tendency within our data. So now let's get started. So here first of all create the visualizing data distribution with this histogram. So just here type is import. Okay, so just create here the import for a perfectly type in this the NumPy as NP. Okay, so now next line create here is again just create in this import, and here perfectly type in the Matplotlib library is pyplot. Okay, so now here in this the perfect, and now create in this as is plt. Okay, so now here in this the one is perfect, so I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm supposed create the example data with for the normal distribution. So first of all here I'm creating this data underscore, and perfectly here create the distribution. Okay, so now this one is perfect, is the data distribution is equal to, so here create is np dot, just type here in this the random dot normal and create it, and in this inside first of all here create the parenthesis, and parenthesis inside first of all create in this the log equal to inside the 50 is the value. So second create here in this the scale. Okay, so this scale equal to 10, and then also create here in this the size is equal to 1000. Okay, so now this one is perfect, so I'm just here and then just going for the next step, and now create a histogram to visualize data distribution. So first of all just type here in this the plt dot now I'm create for in this the histogram, and in this inside create the parenthesis. So first of all, I'm create in this the data distribution. Also create here the bins is equal to insert for the 30, and here also create in the age color. So now just perfectly create age, then color is equal to, first of all I'm creating this a single quotation, and in this inside I'm declare for the color is black. Okay, so now just going for the next step, and here I'm creating this the plt dot insert for in this the title. So the title created for, suppose the name is okay, so insert the name, so just histogram. Okay, is the histogram, and then create. So now here in this session create for the data distribution. So just type here in this the data, and then type is this tree. Okay, so first of all type this tree version. Okay, so the distribution is perfect. So I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm again create in the plot dot. First of all here I'm create in this the x level. Okay, with the x level. Okay, so in this inside create just type here in this inside is the values. Okay, is the values, and then going for the next step, and here I'm again type in the plt dot create for in this the y level. Okay, so now here I'm create for the frequency. Okay, and the frequency is perfect. And next line here I'm create for all code show. So just type in this the plt dot use for in this the show method. Okay, so now just here in this I'm just take in this the histogram. Histogram. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So now just here I'm use in this the NumPy library, and to generate a data set with a normal distribution. Generate a data set with a normal distribution. Okay, so now here first of all I'm saving this code, and just click this run button, and now here just wait. So perfectly show the output is a histogram for the data distribution, and then is create a histogram using for the matplot, and create for in this the hits and function to visualize the data. And here is create for the different values. Is the different values and frequency. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session, and perfectly show here in this the data distribution output. Okay, so now here in this complete, so in this session I'm completely covered for the data distribution. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm create for the normal data distribution in Python programming for the machine learning programming language. Okay, so now let's get started. So here first of all in this the normal distribution, also another Gaussian distribution is a bell-shaped probability distribution that is symmetrical around its mean. So many real-world phenomena follow this pattern, and making is the fundamental concept in statistics. Okay, so now let's move on my example. So here first of all I'm already generate in this visualizing is a normal distribution. So next step here create for the parameter for the normal distribution. So first of all now declare here in this the mean is equal to 50. Okay, next step here create for the std underscore for div. Okay, and is equal insert for 10, and Now I'm creating this sample size. So just type here in the sample underscore size is equal to create for 1000. Okay. So now just next step, and here I'm generating normal distribution. So first of all, here I'm typing the normal underscore data, and is equal to just type for is nt dot is random dot is type for normal, and here create. So first of all, now I'm create the parentheses, and in this insert this block is equal to for mean, and next time create for in this the scale is equal to for is the std, and here I'm also create in this the size. Okay, so just type here in this the size equal to create for in this the sample size. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So now I'm just going for the next step, and here create for a histogram to visualize and the normal distribution. So just going here, first of all create in this the plp dot create for in this the histogram, and in this insert first of all create in this the normal underscore and data, and also here create in this the just type here in this the beans equal to for 30, and also create for in this the age color. So inside the age color is black. Okay, so this one is perfect, and here I'm also create in the density. So just type here in this the den dt equal to insert for in this the result is true. Okay, so now this is perfect. So I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm create in this the plt dot just type here in this the title. So here first of all here create this parenthesis, and in this inside I'm just type here the normal. Okay, so just type here in this the normal. So here I'm creating the single quotation inside create for the normal distribution. Okay, so now this is perfect. So here I'm creating is the generated data, so now it's perfect. So I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm create first of all in the plt dot is create for the x level, and in this inside I'm declare for perfectly in this the values, and next line here I'm again create for plt dot just type here in this the y level, and in this inside I'm declare for the probability density. Okay, so probability density. Okay, so now this is perfect, and lastly here I'm creating this the plt dot in this for the show method. Okay, so now it's perfect. So here in this code is perfectly created. So first of all in this example create for the NumPy in this for the NumPy is for generated data set with the normal distribution. Okay, and also specify the mean for a log standard deviation is a scale, and also the size of the sample. Okay, so now here I'm create. So then first of all save this code, and just going in this right side press, and then click for this run button. Okay, so now I will just open here perfectly, open the normal distribution is generated data. So it's the probability density, and this line in insert the values, and here is perfectly create a histogram using for the Matplotlib to visual the normal distribution. Okay, so now here in this session is completely over, and here I'm perfectly create and demonstrating the concept, okay, of normal distribution. and learn how to generate, visualize, and check for the normality in Python. Okay, so I hope you enjoying this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for the multiple regression to model relationships between the multiple independent variable and dependent variable. So in this, the multiple regression is a tool when we need to understand the influence of the several independent variable and single dependent variable. So today we will learn how to implement for the multiple regression in Python. So now here first of all is create in this the NumPy is a previously total and complete in this process. So now here create and generate the random data with for the two features. So first of all here create is okay and p. Okay, so now just in p dot create here in this the random dot use the sheet, and now declare for the value is 42. So now here also create is x is equal to now create is string is star for in p dot is type is random dot is rent. Okay, so now here declare for two variables is 100 is 2. Okay, so now here create is suppose for y equal to the star here is 4, then multiply in the additional. The operator and 2 for multiplications is x. Okay, so now here in this inside create for the square braces, so just create in this clone and create in this the 0 index. Okay, so now here create for the plus sign and again create for in this x and then square braces inside create for in this the 1. Okay, but now here also use this sign and just type for in p dot is random dot is perfectly type is the rent in. So now here again declare for the value is 100. So now this is perfect. So now here create a linear regression model, just type in the model and is equal to. So now here perfectly creating in the linear regression. Okay, so now just going for the next step, and here type perfectly in this the model dot is the fit. Okay, so this fit inside declare for the value, first is declare x and secondly y. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here create for the display the code efficiential and the intercept to so just type for this the coefficiential. Okay, so perfectly type in this code efficiency is equal to, then just type here in this the model dot is create for COEF. Okay, that is core. Then I'm just going the next step, and here I'm creating this the interspec. Okay, so it's not. So now here I'm just type in turn enter CETT. Okay, this is perfect, and down here creating this the model dot in this perfectly for the intercept. Okay, so now this is perfect. So now here I'm creating this print function in this function, and first of all create for in this the just type for here for is all COEFFICIENT is the coefficients and create clone, and now here in this inside create and this curly braces, and in this inside declare in this the coefficients. Okay, so I'm here just going for the next step, and it's not. So just here again type in this the print, and in this inside again just type for if and create double quotation inside. Just type here in this the intercept. Okay, I'm creating this clone, and now here I'm again creating these curly braces, and in this inside declare for in this the intercept variable. Okay, so now this is perfect. So here I'm just simply create and use the script learn to implement for the multiple regression with two dependent variables, and we generate for the random data, create a linear regression model and display for the coefficient and intercept. Okay, so now just I'm saving this code and run this code and how see the model learned in relation between the variable. Okay, so now just right click and here I'm creating this run this button. So now here I've perfectly show. So now here perfectly create show the output. So here is multiple regression model is successfully learned for the coefficient to interrupt that the best fit our data. So in this the coefficient is represent the line influence of is independent for the variables on the dependent variable and is perfectly complete in this session. So now in this session I'm create for the key points and emphasize the importance of understanding multiple regression for the modeling real world scenario. Okay, so I hope I'm completing this session cover for the multiple regression in Python programming language. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today we will be creating the importance of scaling in data processing and how to implement the scaling technique using for the Python. Since scaling is a critical step in data processing, specifically when dealing with features that have different scale for unit, so it helps to ensure that our machine learning algorithm perform the automatically. Okay, so now let's get started and perfectly creating this code. So now here, first of all, generate the random data with for the different scale. So now here, first of all, create is np dot is type for the random, and then create is again in this sheet, and in the sheet is the value is 42. So now just go in next system, and here create for the different data. So just type in the data is equal to, then type for np dot is random, and dot is create is a random, and now here declare for the value is 100 is 1, and now create here in this the multiplication sign for again 100, then plus operator for 500. Okay, so it's the example for the different data. So now I'm just next system, and here create is the minimum maximum scalar. So just type here in this the scalar. So now is perfect, and then here I'm creating this the minimum and maximum scalar this method. Okay, so now next step here create fit and transform the data. So just type here in this the scale. Okay, is the escalate underscore data is equal to perfectly create in this scalar dot fit underscore create in this the transform. Okay, so now in this first transform inside declare for the in different data. So this one is perfect, and now here create for the displaying original and scale data. So first of all here create in this the print, and this inside create for the original data. Okay, so this one, and now I'm going the next step, and here go again type in this the function, and then declare in this inside create data, and also create for the square braces, and now here declare for the value 5. Okay, so next step here again create in this the print function, and then first of all I'll create the new line, and here I'm creating this the scale data. Okay, so this one is perfect. So just going in the next step, and here just type in this the print function, and now here I'm perfectly creating this scale data, and again create for the square braces declare for the value is 5. Okay, So now here in this code is completely created. So now in this station is completed. So first of all, I'm saving this code and just click for right side. And here, first of all, in this example, use for the minimum maximum scalar from the script learn to perform the minimum maximum scaling on our data. And in this minimum maximum scaling technique, scale the data to a specific range after often between for the 0 and 1. And let's run this code and see how our original data and transform. Okay, so now I'm just again right side click, and here I'm just click this run for the okay, so main file. Okay, so just press, and here as you can see the result is, so here perfectly creates. So just scroll, so personally printed, and this the original data is the minimum maximum scaling, and the transform our data ensuring this the range for 0 1 1, and here is perfectly create the particularly useful when dealing with the feature have the different scale. Okay, so first of all here is create the original data, this. Okay, and next here is perfectly print for in this the scale data is 0.37 and 0.96 and 0.74 something, 60 something, and 0.153. Okay, so now here perfectly create in this, and here in this the perfectly useful dealing with the feature with have the different scale. Okay, so now here in this session I'm completely cover and perfectly create in this the scalar. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today's topic for the train test split in Python programming language. So in this train test split is a crucial aspect in the machine learning model development. It helps us evaluate the performance of our models and unseen data, providing insight into how well they generalize. So now today we'll explore how to implement for the train test split in Python. So now let's get started. So here, first of all, create for the train test a split with the script learn function. So now here, first of all, here I'm creating this form, and then just type for the sklearn dot is perfectly type here in this the model selection, and here I'm again create for import for is the train test split. Okay, so now just an exit step, and here again create in this import just NumPy as in NP. Okay, so now here completely create in this curly braces, and now here first of all I'm generate for in the random data. So just type use np dot is random dot create in this the sheet. Okay, and in declare for the value is 42. So now going the next step, and here first of all create is x is equal to this type here is np dot create in this random or use the run function. And here first of all declare for the 100 for 1, and secondly is example for the feature. So now here next step create is y is equal to is 2, and multiplication sign for is x dot. Now create here in this the sq squeeze, and here I'm also create in this plus sign just 1, and again this plus, and use for the plotting point value is 0 and 0.1, and now here again this sign and create for is np dot is random dot is random. Okay, so now it's perfect, and here I'm create for the value is 100. Okay, so it's the example for the target values. So it's the complete, and now next is the where I'm create for in the perform the train test as split. Okay, So now first of all, create is x underscore. Here type for the train data. Okay, so now here I'm again just create is x underscore for the test is a test data. Then again create is y underscore for is the train, and next create y underscore is the last test data. So now it's perfect, and here is equal to create. So first of all, I'm just type here in this the train test split. So now first of all, create for the parentheses and declare for the x variable and next y, and then also create here in the text size is a declare in the text size, and declare for is the point. Okay. So now here I'm also create in this the random state for is 42. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So here now I'm just creating this the display for the size of training and testing set. So now I'm just type here in this the print and then if, so then create for the double quotation, and in this inside I'm just create for the resulting message is the training. Okay, so is a stamp for is the train. So now is a perfect the training set size create clone, and first of all here I'm creating the parenthesis and just type is the length function, and now declare for this the x train. Okay, so this is perfect, and this time again creating this the print function, and in this inside I'm declare for if and create here is the testing. Okay, just type in the testing state size create clone, and then again curly braces, and now here in this inside I'm declare for this x underscore test. Okay, so now this is perfect. So here is completely now create in my code, and here I'm used for the train test split function. Split function from this creates learn to split data into the training and testing set, and also generate for the random data, perform the split and display for the in this the size of the training and testing set. Okay, so now first of all I'm saving this code and just let run this code and see the output in the data set is divided. So okay, now just click this run button. So now here perfectly show you the output for the training set. So now here I'm just mistakenly create in this the here creating the set is not R. Okay, so here in this for my data set has been successfully split into the training and testing set, and this the separation allow us to train our the model on subset and evaluate its performance on another. Okay, so now here is perfectly creating the training state size for the 80 and the testing set size is 20. Okay, so now here in this the session is complete. So I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today we will create for the fundamentals of decision trees is a versatile and powerful machine learning algorithm. Okay, so in the decision tree are a powerful machine learning algorithm used for the classification, the regression task, and they work by making decision based on features, values, and creating tree-like structure. So today we will explore how to implement decision tree in Python programming language. Okay, so now here first of all the setup in these libraries. So just here first of all create in the from and create in this the sklearn dot, just type here in this the tree, and again create in this the import file, and then create here the decision tree classifier. So now this is the next step, and I'm again type for the from, and again type the sklearn dot create here in this the just type in this the metric. Okay, so now just create in our matrix. Okay, so then here I'm also type in the import and create for the accuracy score. Okay, so now is perfect. The next step here, first of all create in this the just create load in this the data set or the Irish data set use. Okay, so now first of all here I'm creating this the Irish. Okay, so is equal to create for in this the load iris. Okay, so next step here create is x and y. Okay, so x and y is equal to just type here in this the iris dot data, and also create here again in iris is the target. Okay, so it's perfect in this the target. So next step, so just here in this the line space remove. So next step here I'm creating. So next step here I'm creating the split that data into the training and testing set. So first of all here I'm creating the x underscore is the train. Okay, and then create here is again for x, then underscore for the test. So now here I'm the same as it did progress follow for the y is the train, then y underscore in this the test. Okay, so now it's equal to create for in the train test split. So now here first of all declare in the x variable and then y, and now I'm create in the text size is 0.02, and here is also create for in this the random state for 42. Okay, so now this line is complete. So now here I'm also, so next here create a decision tree classifier. So just type in this CLF is equal to, so perfectly just type, so perfectly I'm just type in the decision tree classifier, and in this inside I'm declare for in this the random state and the size is 42. So nice, perfect. So now here I'm creating train the classifier on the training data. So just type in the CLF dot create in this the method is speech, and declare first is the x is train, and also create for is y is train. Okay, so nice, perfect. And here I'm create for make predictions on the testing data. So just type here in this the y underscore for the read is equal to create for in the CLF dot here just type in this the predict for in this declare in this for the x is test value. Okay, so now here I'm create for the evaluate the accuracy of the classifier. So here I'm create just type in this the accuracy if the accuracy is equal to create perfectly the accuracy is course. So here first of all I'm declare for the y is test, and now here create for in this the y underscore is create for the prediction. Okay, so now last one print show the output. The title is type in the print, and here I'm first of all creating this the if, and in this instead of just perfectly type here the accuracy is the accuracy, and now create the curly braces, and in this inside I'm declare for the accuracy. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now here in this my code is completely created. So first of all here I'm create and use the IDS data set from this create learn to train a decision tree classifier, and we split for the data in the training and testing set and create a decision tree classifier. Okay, so now I'm just training it on the training data and making the prediction on the testing data and evaluate that the accuracy of the model. Okay, so now just saving this code and let me the output in this the screen show the output. So okay, so now just click in this the billion run button. So now here I hope perfectly show the accuracy. So here this is the output for the decision tree classifier has successfully made the prediction on the testing data, and here is calculate for the accuracy of the model. So the total accuracy the 1.0. Okay, so this is the output. So now in this session is completely created perfectly, and here I'm perfectly complete in the decision tree in Python programming. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm create for the confusion matrix in Python programming language. Okay, so in this confusion matrix, the powerful tool are assessing the performance of classification model, and the provided detailed breakdown is the breakdown of the prediction, helping us understand how well our model is performing. So today I'm create for the confusion matrix and perfectly create the accuracy score, precision score, recall score, and if-on score. Okay, so now let's get started. So here come first of all, here I am already created because the most time is the waste. So in this the package illustration process, so now I'm already in the C1 package is installed, and then here I'm create the accuracy score, precision score, and the recall score. Okay, so I hope you perfectly install in this C1 package and now start in this code. Okay, so now here in this session, first of all here create in this the X is and use for. Okay, so the capital word X and then Y is equal to use for in this the load digit data. So just type in this the load digits. So here first of all I'm create parentheses and just type here in this the return X Y is equal to true. Okay, so now go in the next step, and here I'm create for in the X underscore for a train and also create is X underscore is test, and same as it is processed. So here is create Y is the train and Y underscore for test. Okay, so now it's perfect, and in this equal and just create for in the train test split data. So here perfectly create split and parentheses. Perfectly create split and parentheses. So declare for X and Y, and also in the text size is 0.25. Okay, so it's perfect. So now here also use for in the CLF is equal to just type here in this the random forest classifier method use, and in this inside I'm declare for the random state is 23. Okay, so perfect, and then going the next step, and here I'm just taking type for CLF dot create here in this the fit, and now I'm declare for the X train. Okay, and again create for the Y train. Okay, so it's the perfect, and now here I'm also create the Y underscore for the prediction is equal to for CLF dot create the predict for X underscore text. Okay, so this is perfect, and now here use in the CM for the confusion matrix. The short form is the CM is equal to, and here I'm type the confusion matrix and this here declare first create the y test. Okay, so y test, and now here is create for in this the y prediction. Okay, so it's the perfect, and now here use the SNS functions dot create here in this the heat map. So now here in this inside, first of all create in this the confusion matrix, and now create in this the and not simply and not is true. Okay, and now here create for in this the if imh is okay. Okay, so now in this if image create for the single condition inside declare in this the set. Okay, so now is the perfect, and here I'm creating this the pyplot dot first of all declare in this the y level. So here create for the parentheses and single quotation inside declare for in this the prediction. Okay, and now just create comma, and here I'm just type here just create the font size. Okay, it's a font perfectly create is the font size declare is the 13. Okay, so next step create the pld dot declare for the yx level, and in this inside show the output is the actual. Okay, the actual value, and now here again just use for the font. Okay, the font size declare is 13. Okay, so now last one here create in this the pyplot pld dot create in this the title. So now here in this inside create for single quotation inside create for the confusion. Okay, the confusion matrix. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now here create this comma, and again use in the font size method is equal to 13 is the 17. Okay, so now is the code is completely created. Okay, so now here and last one I'm just type for in this the plt dot the show method. Okay, so now this one is perfect. Okay, so here my code is completely created, and just save in this code and just right click and just open in this the output. Okay, so now just is a few second wait. So now here perfectly show the output is the confusion matrix is perfectly declared. So is the title, and here in the prediction, and this is the actual value. Okay, so here in this session I'm completely covered for the confusion matrix. So I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today we will create for the hierarchical clustering is a powerful data point. So now let's get started. In this, the hierarchical clustering is a method of grouping similar data point into cluster, creating a hierarchy of relationships, and is widely used in various fields, including for the biology, finance, and the image analysis. So today we will explore how to implement for the hierarchical clustering in Python programming language. Okay, so now here first of all create and generate for the random data for the clustering. So first of all here declare is the x and y is equal to use the make is blobs, and now here declare is n underscore the samples use the 300, and create in this the center is equal to for 4, and then also create here the random state is 42. Okay, so now just the next step, and here create the linkage. matrix using the world method. Okay, so now just type in the linkage. So in this the linkage is a perfect, the linkage underscore in the matrix is equal to again create in this the linkage, and first of all declare the x, and also create the method is a single quotation inside create inside the word. Okay, so now the perfect, and next step here create the plot of the dendrogram. So first of all create in this the plot dot use the finger, and now in this inside declare first of I'm creating this the finger size declare, and in this again the parenthesis. So now declare for the value is 10 and 5. So next step here create in this the dendrogram declare here in this the linkage method in the matrix. So now here create next step the plt dot does I create in this the title. So now here create for the title is perfectly type the hierarchical. Okay, okay, is the hierarchical clustering. Perfect the hierarchical clustering, the dendrogram. Okay, the dendrogram. So now is perfect. So next step here use the plt dot perfectly create first the x label. So in this the x label create suppose is the sample index. Okay, as a simple index, and the y level is indicate for the distance. Okay, so now single quotation inside create perfectly distance. Okay, so now this perfect, and lastly here create the plt dot in this show method. Okay, so now here in the create for the plot the dendrogram. Okay, so now here I'm also create in this the apply for the agrometric clustering, agrometric. Okay, so now first of all here I'm creating this the clusters. Okay, if the clusters is equal to I'm create for the agglomerative. Okay, this is the type is the agglomerative clustering, and now in this inside I'm just declare for in and clusters is equal to 4, and also create in this the this type here perfectly is a double f I n I t y. Okay, okay is equal to create for the single quotation, and now here I'm creating this the equal equals. Okay, so now is a perfectly create. Okay, so now here I'm also create for the linkage. Okay, so just type here in this the linkage is equal to create the single quotation inside the word. Okay, this is perfect, and then next step here I'm create for in this the y underscore for the y underscore for the print for the prediction is equal. So I'm just creating this the clusters dot fit. Okay, then fit underscore is the prediction. So now here in this prediction I'm declare for in the x value. Okay, so now I'm create for the visualize the cluster data. So first of all I'm create in the plt dot create in this the structure, and now first of all here I'm creating this the parenthesis and declare for x and square braces for 0 index, and next here I'm again create in this x and declare this, and this clone and then 1. Okay, and now here I'm creating this the C is equal to create for the Y period in the print, and then create for C is the C map is equal to single quotation create, and in this inside create for the type is the varied days. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here I'm creating this the plt dot perfectly creating this the title, and now here single quotation inside create for the agro-marriage hierarchical clustering. Okay, so just type here is the agro-marriage hierarchical. Okay, so now is the hierarchical clustering. Okay, so now the hierarchical clustering, and now here I'm creating the plt dot in this the show method. Okay, so now here in this code is perfectly declared. Okay, so now here I'm here completely creating this the code, and here I'm just use the agro-marriage approach for the hierarchical clustering with a script learn and generate for the random data, create a linkage matrix using the world method, plot a dendrogram to visualizing and hierarchical relationships. Okay, so now here I'm just saving this code and just click, and then right side and this main function just click and just wait here, and in this perfectly show the output is the hierarchical clustering dendrogram, and then is the distance, and here the sample index. Okay, so now the here perfectly show the output is the hierarchical clustering on points. Okay, so now here in this the create for the dendrogram is illustrator the hierarchical relationships in our data, and this cluster plot and visualize this cluster formed by the agglomerative hierarchical clustering. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for the hyperparameter of machine learning model using the grade source. Okay, so it is a powerful technique for optimization. So in this the hyperparameter training is a critical step in optimizing machine learning model, and in this the grid source is a technique that extensively serves for a predefined or set of the hyperparameter values to find the best combination for model performance. Okay, so now I'm including implement for the grid source in Python programming language. So just open in the PyChart. Okay, so now here I'm just going here. So I'm just first of all now I create here in this the load the iris data set. Just type here in this the iris. Okay, so this here create in this the iris is equal to so now first of all here I'm creating this the data sets dot in this the load iris, then parenthesis I'm just going next step, and here I'm create for in this the x and y. Okay, so xy is equal to just type in this the iris dot just type here in this the data and create here in this, and there's also for just type here in this the iris dot target. Okay, this is the target value. So now this is perfect. So now here completely created, and now I'm also created here in define the parameter is grid. Okay, so now I'm just here. Okay, so now first of all create here in this the parameter grid, just type in the param. Okay, and create is underscore just type here in this the grid. Okay, so just here equals to, so just first of all here I'm creating this the curly braces, And in this inside, first of all create in this the capital word in C. Okay, so now here create in this the clone, and in this inside create first the square braces, and this inside for the value is 0.1 and similarly 1 and 10. Then also create is 100. So now it's perfect. And here again create in this the single quotation inside, create the comma. Okay, this is the gamma, and in this the gamma is equal to, and then create the square braces, and inside for the values is 0.01. Then create is 0.1 and also create is 1 and 10. Okay, this is perfect. And here I'm create in this the another value, just type is, so here I'm create in this the kernel. Okay, so just type here for nil and create in this the clone, and just type here again the signal in the curly braces, the square braces. So first of all here create in this the linear, okay, linear, okay, and also create for just, okay, so now here, so in this single quotation is completely, so now here just type is now get RBF, okay, RBF, and now here is again create for single quotation instead, just type here and is the poly. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So just I'm going to next step, and here I'm create. So first of all now I'm create for the SVM classifier, just type for in the SVM underscore is the classifier. Okay, so just type in this the classifier, this is perfect created, and then equal to, and here I'm just type for again for SVC in parentheses. Okay, so nice, perfect. So then here I'm use a grid search to find the best parameter. So first of all here I'm create in this the grid, okay, so just type for grid search. Okay, then is equal to create in this the, just type in the grid search CV, and in this inside create the parentheses. So first of all create in this the SVM classifier, and also in this the param is grid, then CV equal to 5. And also declare in this the scoring insert created the, just create single quotations, and now create in this the accuracy. Okay, so now it's perfectly created in this the accuracy. So now here at the next step, and now create here get the base parameter. So here now create in this the test and training. So here create the grid search and create here dot, just create the fit, and in this inside first create in this the X train. Okay, and also create for in this the Y train. So now it's perfect. So then it was next step, and now here create the get the best parameter and the corresponding module. So first of all just create in this the best underscore the params is equal to, just type here in this the grid search dot create in this the best parameters. So now here I'm again creating this the best model. Okay, best underscore model is equal to again just creating this the grid search dot create here in this the best stimulator. Okay, so now it's perfect. So it's perfect, and here I'm create make a prediction on the testing data using the best model. So here I'm create a y for in this the prediction, the pre is equal to, just creating this the best model dot just the best model dot just type here in this the okay. Create in this the best model dot for the predict. Okay, the predict, and in this inside I will declare for in this the x test. Okay, so the perfect. So here I'm just doing the next step, and now I'm create display the best parameter and the model performance, and just type here in this the print. And now here I'm declare for just type here in this the best parameters. Best parameters is equal to, so now here I'm creating this the best parameters, and then next time system, and just here I'm typing this the print. Now here in this inside I'm creating this the accuracy on test set. Okay, so now it's perfect, and here I'm call for in this the accuracy is score, and in this is the accuracy inside I'm declared to. So first we create y test, and also create point is the y is prediction. Okay, so now here in this the code is completely created. Okay, so now here first of all in all code just select all and save, and then right side just click. Okay, so then run this code, and now here I hope perfectly show the output on the screen. Okay, so now I'll just wait. So as you can see is the perfect result, the best performance this, and next into the accuracy on the test is 1.0. Okay, so this is the output. So now in this session is complete. So here I'm perfectly create in this a great search in Python programming language. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create in these categorical variables and learn effective techniques to the encoding them. Okay, so in this categorical data often represented as label or the categories is a common type of data in many datasets. And however, it is the most machine learning is model record the numerical input. And so you need to convert the categorical variables into a suitable format. So today I will explore how to handle the categorical data in Python programming language. Okay, so now let's get started. So here first of all I'm creating this library file in this type import and pandas. Okay, so here in the pandas as PD. Okay, so nice, perfect. And then now create a sample data frame, and now create a sample data frame with the categorical data. So just type here in the data is equal to the first of all create the curly braces, and it's inside create simply create the color. Okay, so here is create the color, and now here create for the some color name. So first of all I'm just type here in this the red, and also create in this the green, and create or just type here is blue. Okay, and again create in this the just type again the red color. So now here I'm just taking create in this the green color. Okay, so now it's perfect. So here in this line is complete, and now I'm just type here in this the date for data frame is equal to just type for is PD dot create here in this the data frame, then parenthesis, and inside I'm declared for the variable in that data. Okay, so now it's perfect. So here I'm also create is the perform for in this the one hot encoding. So just type here is df underscore created the encoded. Okay, so then encoded is equal to just type here PD dot use for in this the gate. Just type here in the gate function for the gate. Okay, temporaries, and now here declare first the variable is df, and also create in this the columns is equal to, first of all in this first column I am declare the colors. Okay, is the color the And the next variable declare here in this, the prefix for declare the variable is again. So the color, okay. So now this one is perfect. So next line here, create for the display the original and encoded data frames. So just type here, it is the print, and inside declare for the output message. So just type here in this the original, okay, original data frame, okay. And then here I'll create in this the print for GF, okay. So just going next step, and here again create in this the print, and just here create for this the new line inserted, and create for just the encoded, okay. Encoded is the data frame, okay. So this one is perfect. So now just going the next step, and here again just type in this print, and in this inside declare for the df underscore is encoded, okay. So now here in this the code is perfectly created. So now in this session, for in this example, create first of all using this one hot and on encoded to handle the categorical data using for in this the Pandas library, and also create here in this the sample data frame with a color column containing the categorical value, and then we'll use for in this the get the miss function to perform on hot and coding, and in this hot and in this just perfectly created this code, and now I'm just run in this code and see the output, okay. So now just save in this code, and just here create, just press in this run button, okay. So now here I'm just wait. So now here as you can see the perfectly create the encoded data frame. So here in this the color is blue, color green, and color red. So first step is a 0, index false, false and true, and then 1, 2, 3 the reserve perfectly serial maintain with create with 1 is a false and true and false. Okay, so here it is perfectly create for the categorical variable in color into numerical column and representing for each category. So I hope you understand in this session. So here I'm completely creating this code, okay. So here in this the Python for is the on hot encoding for the variable, and level encoding in the original variables, okay. So I hope to understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for the clustering. So now is a clustering for the k-means can help them while heading the platters in your code. So in this the clustering is a powerful technique, is a super unsupervised learning that involves grouping similar data to find together. So in this the k-means is one of the most widely used for the clustering algorithm. So today I will create and implement for the k-means clustering in Python programming language, okay. So now here let's get started, okay. So here first of all generate the semantic data with a tree cluster. So first of all create in x is y is equal to, just type here in this the make is blocks, and now here first of all create is an underscore is for 300, and also created for in this the centers for 3, and also create in this the random is state is 42, okay. So this one is perfect. So now in the next step, and here I create a means model with 3 cluster. So just type here in this the means underscore model is equal to, so first of all create in this the k-means, and in this inside I'm just call for in this the in cluster in 3, and also for create here in this the random is that is again the 42, okay. So that's the perfect value, and then I create feed the model to the data. So just type here in this the k-means model dot is create in this the feed in this inside I'm just declare for the x variable, okay. So now this one perfect, and here I'm get the cluster centers and the labels. So just type here in this the cluster, okay, and the cluster underscore the integers is equals to, just type here in this the k-means model dot create here in this the cluster center. So just next here step, and here I create in this the next level, okay. So if the levels is equal to, just type here in this the k-means model dot type perfectly in this the level, okay. So now this perfect, and here I'm creating this the plot for the data points and the cluster centers, okay. So just here type in the plot plt dot the scatter, okay. So now here first of all I'm create for the just create in this session. So first of all here I'm create in this the parentheses, the first time declare is x, and now here create the square braces. So now declare for the 0, okay. So now I'm just taking type for x, then create this square braces. So here I'm create the one is a value, okay. So now here I'm also creating this is a equal to create for in this the levels, okay. So also for in this just type here for C, okay, vmap equal to create for the vv rate, okay. Nice, perfect. And here I'm create in this the each color is the age, so cool. So nice, perfect. So in this the age color is equal to inside for the word is k, okay. So now it's perfect. So the same simple k, so nice, perfect. And here I'm also create for in this the is equal to, so just is equal to create for in this the 50, okay. So now is perfect. So here, so these are the complete. So now here I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm again type for in this the plt dot create for in these creatures, and create first of all the parentheses. So first of all I'm create in this the cluster centers, then square braces. So here first of all declare for the value is 0. So secondly again just create these cluster centers, and then again square braces. So now I'm here declare for the value is 1, okay. So now in this the same as, so here I'm creating the c equal to the color name is red, and then create for the marker is here create for the marker perfectly, type and the marker is equal to, so suppose here declare in this the x variable. So now here create is s equal to 2200, and the level is declared for, suppose here the create for the level is cluster, okay. So the cluster centers, okay, the cluster centers. So just to bring the next step, and here I'm perfectly create. So first of all create the plt dot title, and the title is declare for just type here and this the k-means, okay. So k-means clustering is the k-means clustering. So just doing the next step, and here I'm create for in this the x level. So x level is declared for, so first of all create the parentheses, and here I'm create if there's the features, okay. Okay, so just type here in this the feature is 1, and secondly I'm again creating with the plt dot is y level. So declare for the feature Okay, so just type here in this, the feature is blue. So now here I'm also creating the plt dot perfectly is lessened, and also last on creating the plt dot is a show methods. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So here in this, my all code is complete, and now I'll save this code and just right click and just press in the run button. Okay, so now here I'm just wait and show the output in on the screen. Okay, so now just wait. So here is perfectly show the k-means clustering. So it's the feature 1, and this one the feature 2, and in this the perfectly create for the k-means algorithm and identify in this the 3 cluster in our scene to sell in synthetic data, and where the visualized in this the results. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to this another tutorial. So today I'm creating for the k-nearest neighbor in Python programming language. So in this k-nearest neighbor is a versatile algorithm used for both classification and regulation tests, and it works by finding the k-nearest data point to a given query points and making the prediction based on their label or values. So now let's get started. So here previously I'm using this the Irish data. So now here I'm in this the k-nearest classifier used for in the same data. Okay, so now here I'm not newly created, so now just going for the main code inside. So here I'm first of all create a knn classifier with k equal to 3. So just type here in the knn underscore. Now just create in this the classifier is equal to so just type here the k near neighbor classifier. So now here in this inside, first of all I'm creating the k neighbors is okay. So just going the next step, and here I'm create for the train the classifier or the training data. So just type here in the knn classifier used for dot and then fit method, and in this inside a declare postage a declare is there in the x train, and also here declare for in the y train. Okay, so now it's complete. So now create make a prediction on the testing data. So just type here in this the y underscore is free equal to knn classifier dot is the predict. Okay, so now here in this parenthesis inside I'm declare for the variable is x test. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now here I'm also create calculate the accuracy. So just type here in this the accuracy is equal to so just type here in this the accuracy score. So now first of all here I'm declare in this the y test, and also create here in this the in this y pert read the prediction. Okay, so now it's perfect. So in this session is almost complete. So next is the here create display the accuracy of the knn classifier. So just type here in this the print function, and in this inside declare. So first of all here create in this the accuracy, and now declare when this the accuracy variable. So now in this code is completely created. So here in this code first of all use the k nearest neighbor for classification on the famous Irish dataset. Okay, and we split the data into the training and testing set and create perfectly for in this the knn classifier, and with the k set is equal to 3. Okay, and then bring the classifier on the training set data and that and finally make the prediction on the testing data and calculate the accuracy of our model. Okay, so now just save in this all code, and then right button press and just click this run in this main file. Okay, so now just wait. So here is perfectly show the accuracy is 1.0. So in this, the KNN classifier for classifications has successfully predict the level on the testing data. Okay, so here is complete in this process, and now is the power of the k nearest neighbor in Python programming language. So is the KNN is the versatile algorithm that can effective in various scenarios. Okay, and I encourage you to experiment of the KNN in your own machine learning project. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for you the bootstrap aggregation is commonly known as a bagging. So in this, bagging is a powerful as an ensemble learning technique that involves training multiple models on different subsets of the training data and aggregating their predictions. So today I'm going to explore how to implement for the bagging in Python programming language. So now let's get started. So first of all, here I'm creating this for is just create this create for base decision tree classifier. So now just perfectly created. So first of all, here I'm creating this the base underscore just classifier. Okay, the classifier. So and it is complete just here in this the classifier. So now here I'm just equal to create. So first of all, here I'm just type in this the create is the decision. Okay, so just here in this the first of all in the classifier is the perfect. So now this is the perfect in this name, and here I'm create for in this the decision. Okay, so just type in the decision tree. Okay, so now I'm just create in the perfectly decision tree classifier. Okay, so now is perfect decision tree the decision tree classifier, and in this inside I'm just create for in this the random. Okay, so just type here random underscore is create for in this the state is equal to, okay, state equal to 42. Okay, so now I'm just going the next step, and here in this the base is the classifier is the stamping is this. Okay, so here just in this the input for this tree. Okay, so now here just solve this problem, and now here is create is a bagging classifier with the 10 base classifiers. So just type here in this the bagging. Okay, so just type here in this the bagging is underscore classifier is equal to, just type in perfectly this the bagging classifier, and in this inside I'm just declare for in this the base classifier, and also create for just type here in this the in estimators. So in this the in estimators is declare for, suppose here I'm declare. So in this the random is state undeclared the 42, and in this the line in estimators declared is the 10. Okay, so now here I'm just creating this the random state is 42. So now it's perfect. So then in the next step here I'm create for the change the bagging classifier on the training data. So just type here in this the bagging classifier dot. Now I'm create here also in this the fit method. Then in this inside I'm create first of all create in this the x train, and also create for in this the y train. Okay, so now it's perfect, and then here I'm create make a predictions on the testing data. So just type here y underscore short from the prediction is print is equal to just create in this the bagging classifier dot is perfectly create in this the predict. So inside create in this the predict, so inside declare for the x. Okay, so now this one perfect, and here I'm just going the next step, and now I'm just displaying for the accuracy of the bagging classifier. Just type in the print, and here I'm create perfectly in this the accuracy, the output result accuracy is perfect, and here I'm call for in this the accuracy score functions, and in this inside declare for the two variables. First just declare in this the y test, and also declare for in this the y is spread. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So here my all code is created completely. So here first of all I'm just create and implement for the bagging with decision tree using this screen length. So you are perfectly for in this the library is created here. So here I'm perfectly created in this library is already declared. So so now you in this session is not understanding, so I check for the previous tutorial, and I hope in this session you perfectly understand. Okay, so now here in this the session is complete. So here I'm perfectly create and use for the iris data set and split into training and testing set, and create base decision classifier, and then build a bagging classifier with a 10 base classifier. Okay, so now first of all I'm just saving this code and just right click and press just in run this code. Okay, so now here just wait. So perfectly show the accuracy is 0.9 for something. Show the accuracy is 0.9 for something. Okay, so here in the decision tree has successfully improved the accuracy on the iris data set. Okay, so I hope you understand in this session. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm create for the cross validation in Python programming language. So in this, the cross-validation is a technique in machine learning for evaluating how will our model generalize to new unseen data, and it helps ensure that our performance metrics are the reliable and the representative. Okay, so now let's get started. So here, first of all, I'm use and create load the iris data set. So just type here in this the iris. Okay. So now in this the iris is equal to, so just name create in this the load iris. Okay, so now just next step and h, here I'm declare for the next the x and y is equal to, so create here in the data, and also create this the data, also create in this iris dot target. Okay, so now this one is perfect. So here so now this one is perfect. So here is complete, and now I'm create a support vector machine classifier. So just type for is the svm underscore classifier is equal to so now here I'm create for in this the svc. Then first of all here I'm create for in this parenthesis, and now declare in this the kernel the linear. Okay, is the linear, and now here I'm create in this the c equal to 1. So it's perfect. So now here the next step, here I'm create a k-fold cross validator with the 5 folds. So just type here in this the k fold is equal, so just type here in this the k fold, and first of all here I'm declaring the underscore is the splits. So splits is 5, and then just create and this the subfield equal to true, and also create here in this the random state is 42. Okay, so now it's perfect. So next step, create for perform cross validation and calculate accuracy score. So just type here in this the accuracy underscore and calculate accuracy score. So just type here in this the accuracy underscore here in this course. Okay, so first of all here I'm create in this the accuracy is this course is equal to, so now here I'm just type in this the cross variable score of cross valuing score, and now in this inside I'm declare for in this the SVM. So first of all type in the SVM underscore classifier. So here I'm declare for in this the X and Y, and also for CV equal to C. Here I'm create in this the K fold. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now I'm just going the next step, and here I'm create display the accuracy score for is fold. So now first of all here I'm type in this the print, and in this inside I'm create here and this in this the accuracy. Okay, is the accuracy score. Okay, so it's perfectly created the accuracy score for is fold. Okay, so it's perfect, and here call for in this the accuracy score. So next step here I'm again open in this print function, and now here I'm create here in this the mean accuracy is the mean accuracy declare. So first of all here I'm creating this the accuracy score dot in this the mean value. Okay, so now let's it's perfect. So now my code create completely, and here I'm just create k-fold cross validation to emulate a support vector maximization and classifier on this the iris dataset. And also here create the SVM classifier straight up the k-fold cross validator with the 5 folds. Okay, so now I'm just select all and save this code, and just right side press and just open click this around for the main file. So just press this, and now here just wait, and here so as you can see the result is perfectly show here, and just in this the result and our in this the k-fold cross validation has proved for the accuracy score for is fold is 1.1 and 0.9 something. So 0.93 something, this 19 something. Okay, and here this create for in this the mean accuracy for 0.97 something. So here is perfectly create for the accuracy score for is fold, and giving as a more reliable estimate of our model's performance. Okay, so now I hope you understand in this session, and here I'm completely creating this the k-fold cross validation model. So thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's another tutorial. So today I'm going to create for the logistic regression is a powerful algorithm for binary classification. Okay, so in this the logistic regression is a fundamental algorithm in machine learning, and specifically for the binary classification task is widely used for the predicting and probability of an interchange belonging to a particular class. So today I'm perfectly create in this the logistic regression for binary classification. Okay, so now here first of all I'm create in this the library. So just type here in this the form. Okay, and here also create in this the sklearn.matrix. Okay, so here is perfectly create in this the matrix, and I'm just again create in this the import for just type here is accuracy score, and also create here in this the confusion matrix, and secondly create in this the classification. So here I'll create for in this the classification report. So now is perfect. Okay, so here okay, so now here in this the classification report is created completely. Okay, So now here I'm just going for the next step, and here I'm generate the random data for binary classification. Okay, so first of all here I'm create in x is y equal to, and now here I'm just type in the make is classification, and in this inside declare so first is create is in the sample. So here I'm used sample is 1000. Okay, and here also create is in underscore in this the features, so features is 2. Okay, so now here I'm also create in this the just type here in underscore create here in this the informative. So here in this the create for the informative. Okay, so now in this the informative is declare for, so just create for in the informative is true, and next here create for in underscore is the redundant. So redundant is create for is 0. Okay, so now here I'm again create for in this the underscore create for the cluster per class is 1. Okay, so now here I'm also create in the random state for is 42. Okay, so now it's perfectly created. Okay, so now just next step, and here create the first of all just creating the split the data into training and testing set. So first of all here I'm creating x underscore train. Okay, and also create for x underscore is test. Okay, so now here I'm create again this y train and y underscore test. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here the create is equal to train test split, and now in this inside first of all I'm declaring x and y, and then create for the next text size is 0.22. Okay, and here is next is create for the text size, and also create is the random state is 42. Okay, so now it's perfect. So now I'm create next step, and here I'm create a logistic regression model. So just type here in this model is equal to then type is the logistic regression, and in this inside declare for the random state is again inside the value is 42. Okay, so now here I'm create they train the model on the training data. So just type here in this the model dot create, here is the perfectly fit. Okay, now create parentheses, and here first of all I'm creating this the x train, and also create for in this the y train. Okay, so now it's perfect, and here I'm also make the prediction on the testing data. So just type here y in the prediction. Okay, so the print is equal to create here in this the model dot create in perfectly in the predict, and in this inside I'm declare for in this the x text. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here I'm also create in this the display model performance matrix. So here first of all I'm create in this the print, and in this the inside first of all create the accuracy. Okay, in the accuracy just type here is clone. Okay, and now declare first in this the accuracy score, and in this inside declare first in this the y test, and also create here the y is predict. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here I'm just going next step, and I will just type in the print, and then create first of all type in this create the new line, and here I'm create first the confusion matrix. Okay, the confusion, then type for in the matrix. Okay, so this is perfect. So now I'm going the next step, and here I'm just again creating this print function inside declare just type in this the confusion matrix. So now I'm declared another variable, so just type here in this the y test, and also for in this the y is prediction. Okay, so now this is perfect, and here just again call in this the print function, and now here again create this new line. So now type in new line and create the classification report. Okay, classification report. Okay, so now this is perfect, and then going the next step, and here I'm just creating this the print function, and now just call for the function is classification report. Just create here is the y test, and also create for the y is prediction. Okay, so now it's perfectly created. Okay, so now here my code is completely created. So now first of all I'm just saving this. Okay, okay, so in this all code just save, and then click this in this the mean this is the run button, and just wait here. Okay, so now here in this then the few second wait, and now here in this is the, as you can see in this the result is printed. So first of all here create the logistic regression is successfully. Okay, so here in this first create the prediction is the accuracy for 0.9 and the condition matrix, and here is create for in this the perfectly this the classification matrix, the report precision recall if one is score and support. Okay, so now here is perfectly created. So I hope you understand in this session. So here I'm create for the logistic regression in Python programming language. So thank you for watching.